What's up, YouTube? Today, the smart car gets a new Plasti Dip. But first, all of this peel has to come off. You know, you got some peel here. The whole front end of it's pretty much new, but just got to get rid of this peel stuff here, especially up in the cracks here. So let's do that. So the idea here is to get these flakes. So here's it, for instance, these flakes. See how it's like kind of, I can basically peel this off. I gotta make sure it's not gonna peel off. So what I've been doing is feathering them out, so there's no real lip. Now I gotta get this stuff off. Started getting that off. Got most of that done, and up here done. Getting close. Now, just need to wash it. Got all the lettering off too. Now I just need to mask off everything. Got everything ready, clean. It's been 24 hours drying, and this is actually my parents' garage since we have an HOA and they'll freak out if I'm painting anything. But yeah, I'm just gonna mask everything off and get ready to spray it. Here it is, all taped up, ready to go. I used all newspaper except for this one piece, which I probably would have used, but I just noticed I still had it left over. As you can see, I got the car all masked off, all the areas that I don't want to be sprayed. And then the last step before I paint is this prep. Basically just gets all the oils, and yesterday I cleaned the living hell out of it, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just spray that, and it'll be good. So I got my gun here from dipyourcar.com, and I'm gonna do 5 base coats of this gunmetal gray. But before I do that, I'm gonna just heat this up, the can up with the heat gun, and then that way the paint's somewhat warm. It sprays better when it's warm. All right, let's open this puppy up. See what we're working with here. I thought about doing just gunmetal gray. This is space gray. This is just a gunmetal base, and then we're gonna do like the space gray. Okay, so stir the hell out of it. All right, let's try this. Here is gunmetal gray. 1 whole gallon of paint on a tiny little smart car. It's about 5 coats, maybe more. Got the roof sprayed, is still drying. But now we're ready for space gray. Stuff's not very messy either. It smells, but not like paint. This isn't like, it's a lot better than like a paint job. There it is. Done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think it turned out pretty dang good. Better than it used to be. Cheap too. There are a few pieces that I don't know about. Like here. I'm gonna peel this off. Same with the back. Good. All right, yep, this isn't gonna work out. I'm gonna peel that off. there's like a freaking trillion mosquitoes. This is how easy this peels off when you don't want it anymore. Jesus. So many mosquitoes. It's like a mosquito farm over here. Jesus.